This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Gardening fantastics, hey, welcome back to the channel. Welcome any and all new subscribers, visitors, passy-by, looky-loos. Welcome back. Thank you for all your time and support. Well, this is an update about the snake plant, mother's tongue, Santivia. I want to show you that I have about 4 leaves have rooted. And you can see them a whole lot better. Those white, snarly looking teeth things, they've gotten longer. So once I get a few more roots, I'm going to plant them in dirt, and then you shall see when it grows babies, and those are the leaves that are going to be looking like swords, rather, tongues, you want to say that. But yep, this is an update about the propagated snake plant leaves, and look, success. It's amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Happy dance, happy song, happy face. I'm just sharing my joy with my gardening fantastics. Have you guys propagated a snake plant lately? Leaves, cuttings? Let me know in the comments section. I love the snake plant. Alright, that's it. I just wanted to come in and share with you guys what's happening with the snake plant. Bye for now. Till next time, have a happy gardening day. Thanks for your time and support.